All right, so here's where we're at right now. We got the vanity out here. This room has been remediated. Everything looks good. Um, it looks like we had some moisture coming in from possibly right down through there. But they sealed this wall now, so the wall is waterproofed. We straightened that outlet so it's in the middle of the wall, and they're going to start putting the sink and the vanity back together. When we go downstairs, okay, here's where we're at downstairs. So they have inserted an actual ventilation system fan that goes outside the house. We still have one point right here where it's there's some water damage and some discoloration, so we're going to take that out. Got the plug in the tub so nothing goes down the drain. Okay, so we went up in here and cut out a good sized hole to make sure everything looked good. There does appear to be, a little bit of wetness up there, but it was probably coming from above, and I think we solved that problem. So bathroom looks good. Close this up here and a little bit. New ventilation fan. Oh yeah. And then if we go into this room, that right there, that vent, as you can see, was ripped out. The ductwork inside the vent was actually disconnected, so all the cold or warm air during the winter or the summer was being blown in between the walls. So here you can see that the duct on the left is disconnected from the vent straight ahead, and so we had to go into that area right there. The vent goes right outside the house there. All right, so you can see right here is where they drilled a hole out of the wall, and that's where the basement bathroom ventilation fan, the exit is. And right now, here's the major concern. As you can see, we have some mold in this place, but this is the metal beam is right here. We think that water was condensing on the metal beam because of all the air blowing inside the walls. Okay, and then that was causing this, which is a bunch of mold that looks like it's been here for a long time. That is one of the problems right now. They're going to rip that beam out of there, but it looks very old. So this is the board that was against the bottom of the beam. So the top side from the picture is where the beam connected with the board. You can tell that it's wet all the way down, and then the wetness slowly starts to fade away right there. So the further away from the wall you get, the drier the board gets. So they're going to replace that board. Right? And then there was a lot of holes drilled right into the ductwork, which is crazy that there's holes drilled into the ductwork. So we sealed those holes up. So the focus today is to see how deep this goes in the wall, and then we'll be, I guess, good from there. Okay, so just a little update on 6572. Yeah. So this is the back side of the drywall that was up here, so you can tell moisture for sure. Here's the back side of that drywall right there that was near the beam. So you can see that there's moisture on the backside and mold there. Also, you can tell at the bottom there's no moisture on the backside. We checked down near the footer to make sure it's clean.